remember well, here we said sine A plus sine B will give us this. Now, what happens if these two are equal? Okay, when they're equal, let's say A is equal to B. Right, if A is equal to B, then we can say B is equal to A here. Right, so we can say sine A plus A is equal to sine A cos B, cos A plus cos A and then sine A. Okay, this is B here. Right, so what will happen here? What will happen here is that this one becomes sine 2A, and then this one, we see that this is sine A and that's sine A. This is cos A, this is cos A, meaning that these two statements are the same. So we can say 2 sine A cos A, right? Meaning that we can even change this to the default angle, which is theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. This is a very important identity in trigonometry. Right? We have to know this one by heart. So sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. I would say that this comes right after sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 in terms of importance. Obviously, with this tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Know these three, okay? Because these are the ones that you meet in most of the identities that you have to prove, okay? So know these ones by heart. This you can know how to derive it, and then these you already know, right? So now that we know that these we derived in this fashion, we can list the rest. So the rest are these ones here. You can see that we have this one that we derived, and this next one, and then we have this one. So we're deriving them the same way. So we are going the steps are we're going to sum or difference ones, okay, which is those ones we did where we had sine A plus B, etc. Then we make the angles the same. We can look at the tan A plus B. We make the angles the same. And that's why you see that this is 2, that is 2. Right? And then the other side, what will happen is that these are going to normalize into this, and that is going to normalize into that. But this one is actually when you associate it with the Pythagorean, which is if you insert sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. If you insert it here, meaning that you are inserting cos squared, sine squared theta, 1 minus sine squared theta. If you insert it here, it will give you this one. Right, so this is how you actually go about working with the double angles. So the double angles are 1 here, 2 there, 3 there. So quick recap, we have 1, which are the primary identities, okay? I'll use short forms here, primary identities. Then we have 2, which is sum or difference identities. Then we went and looked at the third one, which were the products to sum, okay? Products to sum. Then we went and looked at the fourth ones, which were the sum to product, okay? And then we went and looked at the fifth one, which is here, the double angles. Then the last one that we'll look at is called so look at the half angles. As usual, we'll derive one, then we'll list the rest.